Good morning. This is Unit Triangle, Angles and Triangles, student handout number 5. It's the last one. Woo, woo. All right, here we go. Today is more straight up like a geometry will be when you take it. All right, first part, using the given information about each triangle below to predict whether the triangle is unique or not. All right, here we go. The first triangle, it gives us, so let's use our little highlighter here. It gives us angle, side, angle. So to write that, it would be angle, side, angle. Okay? If it gives us angle, side, angle, so it gives us one side, it gives us one side and two angles, then is it unique? Yes, it is unique. I'm going to write it up there beside it, actually. I'm going to write it in yellow, and I'm going to circle it. Yes, it is unique. Let's write the word unique instead. U-N-I-Q. It is unique. Why? Because it has one side that is an actual distance. So that means everything else is going to line up, because they also give us the degrees. All right, the second one is angle, angle, angle. Now, you could turn this a lot of different ways, and you could put 68 up here where 54 is. You could do a lot of different things with this one. So is it unique? No, it is not unique. It could look a little bit different depending on how you drew it, okay? So this one is not unique. And that's because it is what we call angle, angle, angle. All right, the next one is three sides. Side, side, side. All right, so on this one, it is side, side, side. All right, and since it is side, 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 is it a unique triangle? Yes, it is. Why? Because it is going to look the same every time, because it tells you how far to draw each line. All right, this last one is what we call, okay, let me highlight my highlighter back, side, angle, side. So it's side, angle, side. Again, it has two sides, so it is going to be unique. So basically, if it has 1, 2, or 3 sides listed, then it's going to be unique. That means it has the measurement for the side. Then it's going to be unique. If it just has angles, then it is not unique. Okay, there they are. Let's do question number 1 for today. Question number 1 for today. What type of animal kingdom does the dolphin fall in? What kind of animal kingdom does it fall in, the dolphin? The second question of the day, which bird is known for its ability to mimic human sounds, including human speech? They can repeat us. What bird is known for its ability to mimic sounds, including our human speech? All right, so the given conditions are 3 sides, which we call side, side, side. And yes, we need to write that out. Side, side, side. It looks like, I know I don't write very good. So I'm going to write it up top too. Side, side, side. It says when three sides are given, if the side lengths meet the triangle inequality theorem, which any two sides are greater than the third, then they will form a unique triangle. So when three sides are given, if they meet our theorem from the other day, last lesson, where any two sides are greater than the third, then it will form a unique triangle. An example of that would be the SSS that we have up there. So let's sketch it just like they did. Okay, it's that one right there, by the way, if you want to know which one I just copied. All right, I'll leave that right there, and I'm going to go to the next one. The next one says two sides and an angle. So that is side, side, angle, or side, angle, side. Which is side, angle, side. So when two sides are included and included angle are given, then they will also form a unique triangle. So I'm going to zoom back out and go copy the one from up top. It was the big tall one, which I'll show you in just a second, but it looks like that one, that big tall one. It had 40, 12 centimeters, and 12 centimeters. It was that one. All right, the next one was two angles and one side. Two angles and one side. So this one is angle. That's fantastic. This is angle, side angle. And it says, when two angles and one side are given, if the angles have a sum of less than 180. Why less than 180? Because they don't give you the third, and what does it have to be to make a triangle? 180. So therefore, the third number has to be less than, or the two added up can't already be more than 180. Because if they're already more than 180, then we can't add a third one. Okay? So the two that's there have to add up to less than 180. Then they will also form a unique triangle. And let me go show you. All right, so we're going to go up here to the one that does. This one here. Okay, 122 plus 32 is 154. Is that less than 180? Yes. So that's going to make one unique triangle. Why? Because we have that side. Now, let's assume that this wasn't 122. This was 152. It's not, but what if it was? We would do 152 plus 32. That equals 184. 184 is already more than 180. So that wouldn't even be a triangle, okay? So just add them up, make sure they're less than 180. And if they are less than 180, beautiful. Go back down here. Under the angle side angle, it makes one unique triangle. So let's just copy that triangle, or do our very best. And the last one is three angles. which is angle, angle, angle. And it says when three angles are given, if the angles meet, and they meet the angle sum theorem, which means what? AKA 180, right? Then they will form more than one triangle. Why? Because we could put the angles in different places and all kinds of stuff like that. So it could be more than one type of triangle. It could look a little different based on how you decided to draw it. And the one that they gave us from up top that has all three angles is that one. So I'm just going to copy that down here below. All right. Question number 3 for today. Question number 3. What is the fastest land animal in the world? The fastest land animal in the world. All right. This is question number 4. Question number 4. What animal is known as the king of the jungle? King of the jungle. It's not the Ardmore Tigers. All right. Use your understanding of the triangle inequality theorem to complete the table. All right. They give us 3 sides. So is it going to be one unique triangle or no triangle? Because they give us a side. Remember, if they give us 1, 2, or 3 sides, it's either going to be one unique triangle or not a triangle. So we have to choose. It's either going to be one unique or no triangle. Okay? On all of these. It's going to be one of those two each time. All right? You don't have to write that. You can write just which one it is if you want to. But we got to choose. So, how do we figure out if this is a triangle or not? Take the smallest two, which in this case are 7 and 8. Take the smallest two and see if they are larger than the third one. All right? So take 7 plus 8. Is it greater than 9? All right, check your work. 15 is 15 greater than 9? Check. Yes, then we are good. Take the 2 smallest and add them up and see if they're larger than the largest. Okay. All right, the next one, we're going to do the same thing. Oh, by the way, let's go back and answer this question. So does it make a triangle? Yes. How many does it make one unique? Why does it only make a unique? Because it gives us a side length. If it gives us a side length, then it's only one triangle. One top, because you have to measure it that exact size. All right, the next one. Okay. Let me erase some of this for you. There we go. Take the 2 smallest ones, which are 1.5 and 1.5. Are they larger than the third one? So you're going to go 1.5 plus 1.5. Is that larger than 3? Is that larger than 3? 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. Is 3 greater than 3? No. It's the same thing. So does it make a triangle? No. Okay? It does not. All right, the next one. Take the two smallest ones. Okay, again, 2 and 4. Are they larger than 8? All right. Is 6 larger than 8? Nope. Okay, 6 is not greater than 8. So it is going not to make a triangle. It is not going to make a triangle. No. So no triangle. The last one, they're all the same. So pick 2 of the 5s, add them up. Are they larger than the last one? So that is 10 greater than 5? Check. Yes, it is. So does it make a triangle? Yes, it makes one unique triangle. How do I know it makes a unique one? Because anytime it has a side listed, it's unique. Question 5. Question number 5. What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? All right, this one says use our understanding of the ankle-sum theorem to complete the table. So what does it have to add up to make a triangle? 180, okay? So it has to add up to 180. So let's add the numbers, 70 plus 90 plus 20. What does it equal? 180. So, how many triangles are formed? More than one. How do I know it's more than one? Because it don't have a side listed, so it can be multiple triangles. Because they could look different. All right, the next one. 55 plus 45 plus 75. Does that equal 180? 50 plus 50. No, that equals 175. Okay, it is not. So does it make a triangle? No. No triangle. Why? Because they don't add it up to 180. All right, the next one. 27 plus 27 plus 126. Does that add up to 180? Yes, it does. So guess what? It makes more than one triangle. How do I know it's more than one? Again, there's no side listed, so it's more than one. And the last one, 39 plus 87 plus 55. That adds up to be, oh boy, I really got to think. 50 plus 30 is 80 plus 80 is 160, 167, 172. It adds up to 181. Does that add up to 180? No. So does it make a triangle? No. No triangle. All right, while you finish writing that, question number 6 of the day. Which animal is famous for its black and white stripes? Which animal is famous for its black and white stripes? All right, apply your understanding of triangle constraints to answer the questions below. We learn everything we learn to get here, to these word questions. All right, number 9, it says, 2 sides of a triangle have a length of 7 and 15. That's need to know information. Lengths of 7 and 15. All right. Which inequalities, so here's the question, which inequalities represent the possible lengths for the third side? Now, simple, guys. Here's how you find that. X is going to be in the middle, just like it is on all those. You subtract. 15 minus 7 is what? 8. So it has to be more than 8. So which one of those has more than 8? We only can eliminate one. There, that one. All right, the next one is 15 plus 7 equals 22. It has to be less than 22. Okay? Greater than 8, less than 22. So which one meets those standards? So you add up the 2 you have, and you also subtract the 2 you have, and the number has to fall between that. Okay? So the answer is A. Okay? Question number 7 of the day. Question number 7. Which animal is also known or is known for having a pouch to carry its baby? So which animal is known to have a pouch to carry its babies? It's in the outback. It's in the outback. All right. And the last one of the day is, which 3 angle measures cannot be angle measures of a triangle? All you need to do is see which one adds up to 180. But it asks a key question here, guys. It says cannot. So which one is not going to add up to 180? That's what they're asking. They threw that key trick word cannot in there. You know why they threw that in there? Because they know they trick you. All right, so we just need to add each one of these up. That's all we need to do. Okay, that one's 180. 100. That's 180. That's 180. So we have 90 plus 46, 6. I don't even know. My brain is fried, man. Let me add that up real quick. All right, 168. Which one does not add up? Okay. Which one does not add up? Which one? Oops, my bad. That does not add up, and that's what they're looking for. Which one does not? So the answer is B. Okay? The answer is B. Why? Because they're looking for the one that don't add up to 180, that don't make a triangle. And the last question of the day, shame on you if you don't know this one. Which bird is the national symbol, and it's the national bird of the United States of America, the national bird for America? All right, that's all I wrote. That's all the fat guy in the back wrote. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Adios, amigos.